So now we can look at some other slab charge densities. So this is continuing what we've already looked at. And again, we've got the general form here that the electric field is going to be the charge enclosed over the sigma naught 2a for slabs. And that in general, that's going to go to the integral of rho dz over 2 epsilon naught. So we've already shown how that goes in the other ones. So now the only thing that's different from the uniform case is that when you do your rho dz, you're going to be doing it over some range of, say, minus z to plus z, where rho is a function of z. So depending on that, you just have to solve that integral. And if rho z is nice, then the integral should be nice. Or use integral tables. And just remember that this is for inside. And if we're doing outside, rather than going you use the thickness of the slab. So it's really the same integral. So if you solve this part, you're evaluating it from minus z to plus z. Here, rather than doing it a z value, you're going to have the minus c over 2 and the plus c over 2. But in either of these cases, when you do that, you're going to have that value that you've solved over 2 epsilon naught. Inside, it will be a function of z. Outside, it's going to be a constant value. Now, that constant value will depend on rho and c, but it will not depend on z. Next case I'm going to do in the next video. I'm not doing this one entirely because I'm leaving this as an exercise for my students.